When you start your peptide journey, your client support team will organise for your peptide starter kit to be delivered to you. If you've chosen for a nurse to administer your peptides, she will bring this along, otherwise this will be delivered directly to you. Within the peptide starter kit, you'll have everything that you need to get started. You'll have your instructions. This is quite important, and this is something that you should read before you start on any of the next steps. Within this will be detailed information about your peptides, expected side effects if any, the dosing instructions, administration instructions, and the contact details of your client support team. As well as the instructions, you'll have a sharps bin. This is to collect your needles and your used syringes. You'll have the peptide, which is a vial. This needs to be kept in the fridge in between your doses. You'll also have some alcohol wipes to sanitize the vial and the area that you're going to inject in. You will also find the number of syringes that you will need to complete your peptide cycle. To prepare your peptide, you'll need to first lay out all of the equipment that you need. You'll need 1 syringe, 2 alcohol wipes, and your vial from the fridge that is your peptide. First, start by opening the vial. Check to see that the seal on top of the vial is intact and remove this. Once you've removed this seal, now take one of the 2 alcohol swabs and clear the top of the vial. Make sure to do this thoroughly to remove any bacteria that may be on top of the vial. Next, the syringe that you have, remove the screw at the bottom. Check on your instructions again to see the dose that you will be administering. Once you've confirmed the dose, remove the protective cap on the end of the syringe. Be careful not to prick yourself with the syringe. Now, insert the syringe in the center of the vial. Once you've inserted it in the vial, invert the syringe 180, and now draw up the required volume from the peptide vial. Once you've drawn up your dose, next step is to remove the needle from the vial and recap it with the orange cap, making sure not to prick yourself with the needle. Put this to the side, return the vial to the fridge. For the next step, we're going to administer the peptide. How to administer your peptide. First step is to take an alcohol swab and clear the area that you're going to inject. You can inject in anywhere fatty, preferably the abdomen, the thighs, or the upper arms. Be sure to rotate your injections daily. Don't inject in the same place in a row. Next, remove the orange protective cap from the syringe. You'll want to go in at a 45-degree angle. Use your free hand to pinch the skin and your second hand with the syringe to go in at a 45-degree angle. Administer the whole of the dose. You'll know when this is done because the syringe won't move any further. Remove the syringe from your abdomen or wherever you've injected and recap it with the orange protective cap. Dispose of the syringe into the yellow bin, which will be collected at the end of your cycle and disposed of correctly.